and welcome back to my videos, my channel. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, hello. Today's video is going to be something I've never done on my channel before. I've never received it in real life before. I'm doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. So here it is. If you don't know, I'm on vacation currently. We're in a cabin in the Poconos in Pennsylvania, so that's where I am. That's why this looks a little different, maybe a little darker. Is that better? Okay. So before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. And also I have a like to know it, so if you're interested in clothes, I have a like to know it. I'm going to be posting clothes on there. Follow me there as well. Let's dive right in. Stitch Fix is like a subscription that you control. You control when it comes. You take a style quiz and a stylist like pairs clothes with the answers that you gave in that quiz. So this was my box. I had said like I wanted some work to weekend pieces. So pieces that I could wear at work, but also like, you know, I can wear it out or whenever as a casual thing as well. So we're going to dive into the box. I have unboxed this because I was excited about it. One thing to note about Stitch Fix is that you have 3 business days, I'm going like this, but 3 business days to return the items that you don't want to return. Also, if you keep everything in the box, you get a 25% discount. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's dive in. First thing I got in the box was two like bangles. They're very pretty, and these cost $28. Just dropped it. Okay, one is like a silver, and one is like a rose gold. So they are pretty, they're comfortable, they're dangly. I probably won't keep these because I'm strictly trying to get like clothes, but these are really cute. And for $28, I mean 2 bracelets, that's pretty good. However, I don't know what the ingredients are in here, like what it's made of, not the ingredients, but like I'm allergic to nickel. So like if there's nickel in here, I can really only wear it like one day and then I have to take it off and then I can put it back on, you know what I mean? So it's not really worth it to me to even test this, but they are really pretty and it's pretty cheap. So, oh, and those bracelets are from Bancroft, and they're called the Montoya Knot Cuff. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah. The next thing I got, this is the Skies Are Blue Hannah Model Scuba Blazer. This cost $88. This is the most expensive item that I got. It is so cute. I'm very excited. I haven't actually tried this on yet. And this is in the size small. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't really work with this shirt, probably, but I think that's really cute. It's comfy. It might be too small because when I go like this, the arms kind of like don't become, they're not like 3/4 anymore. But it is cute. I mean, I definitely like this for work because it is still a little bit casual. It's not like super, you know, corporate America, but I could definitely wear this at work. And it's a super soft fabric. So yeah, this is $88, which I feel like is pretty on par for blazers at like Nordstrom. Okay, the next thing I got is this Brenna and M Liari tie sleeve top, and this is $38. So it's super cute. It's a little see-through, but that's fine with like a cami underneath. So I'm gonna try this on right now. So this is what the top looks like, and they have the sleeve, the tie sleeves. It's a very light fabric, and I had said in my quiz that I wanted more like loose fitting tops because I feel like it looks better when I'm sitting all day. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I think it's nice. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I just bought a bunch of tops from Express, so I might return this and just keep the blazer at this point. But I have 2 more items to go, so I'm just going to leave this on and we'll talk about the next item. I also got the Just USA Rhea Skinny Bottom Up Jean. So these are just, you know, blue jeans. There are a couple little details on it that I wanted to point out. So I got, you know, a bunch of buttons. It also has a couple details of ripping, which I'm not a huge fan of because I like to wear jeans on Fridays at work, and I can't really wear these kinds of jeans at work. So I, you know, tend to not buy them so that I'm not like, you know, pull it out in the morning and then I have to change, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm gonna go try these on and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have the jeans on. This is what they look like. They actually fit really, really well. This is a size 4. It says 20, so don't, oh, if you can see my toes, don't look at them. They haven't been painted. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. They're so comfortable. I'm very surprised. They're very stretchy. I might actually end up keeping these. But yeah. The last item in my box is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Daniela Black something. I can't read what it says. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Daniela Black Detail Knit Dress. So this is not black, it's blue, first of all. But it's just like a shift dress, and I actually have a couple that are similar to these that I got at Old Navy. So this is very my style. Like this whole box is, I would say it's my style. They definitely got that right. It's just like not maybe necessarily pieces I was like looking for. But it has this, in the back it has an opening, so that'll be like a nice detail in the back. But otherwise it's just a shift dress, and I'm gonna go try it on. Okay, so this is the dress. It hits right above the knee, which is nice, and it's actually a 3/4 sleeve, which I didn't realize. But yeah, and then the detailing in the back, it's just like open a little bit, nothing crazy. So, I mean, it's very comfortable. It's very, it's not super form-fitting as well, which is nice because sometimes, like, you know, yeah. But yeah, I mean, that's that. And did I say the price of this one? This one is $44. So everything totaled is $256. If I buy everything, I get a $64 discount. So the order subtotal would be $192. I already paid $20 to like get the box. They make you pay a styling fee, so that's towards my purchase. So the order total would be $172 even if I kept everything. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna keep. Probably going to keep the blazer, and I actually may keep the jeans. They were really comfortable. But that concludes this video. I have a referral link down below if you're interested. I think you get like 25 bucks towards your first box. I'm not exactly sure. It'll say it down below when you click on the link. Let me know if you tried Stitch Fix before. What has your experience been? Have you kept everything always? Have you sent everything back? I really want to know because this is my first like go around in this fashion subscription box area. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!